One of the first problems that arose in the fall of Rome was the invasion of Germanic tribes. These tribes were gradually pushing into the empire and were repeatedly defeating and overstretching the empire's army. With the arrival of the Huns, the tribes were pushed more forcefully into Rome, causing them to sack less and start to take land to stay. Eventually, the tribes were winning enough ground that they began to claim this land as kingdoms within the empire. The second problem that the Romans faced was their army. They needed a boost in their military, so they added none other than the Germanic tribesmen that had been attacking them for years. It seemed to be okay at first because it fixed the problem with the size and it got many of the Germanic tribes to stop attacking, but then it became a problem. This boost became a problem because the military's main strength was teamwork, discipline, and vigorous training. The newly joined tribesmen often lacked the discipline to conform to this. Another military issue was the size of the army. The army had to be big enough to protect the empire, but also had to be small enough to be controlled by the government. In the end, a smaller army was settled for, but it cost Rome a great deal of land and security. These problems led to a largely unprotected empire, mainly governed by those that had not governed it originally.